Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. The cold side of this tub is leaking. So this is a seat and cartridge style. The other video I have was a washer and seat style. This is a newer type of style. But what we'll do now is material and tools. So this is our material and tools list. So there's 2 seats and springs. They come in a pair. Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a big crescent wrench. Guys, this is all we need for material and tools for this job, so let's get started. Alright, first thing is to always block the drain. Either use a stopper, paper towel, or some toilet paper. Pop the middle cover off, exposing the Phillips screw. The Phillips screw holds the handle onto the cartridge. Sometimes with calcium buildup it can be difficult to remove the handle after you take the screw out. One thing to keep in mind, I've already shut the water off, so there won't be any water spraying out anywhere, but now take the next cover off. With a crescent wrench, loosen off the nut that holds the cartridge into the body of the tub valve. Now the cartridge can be removed. So this is the cartridge. The hole in the end is where the water goes in, and then the hole on the side is where the water comes out. So the way this works is that you align the hole where the seat is there with the hole in the cartridge, and that'll allow water to be turned on and off. So the spring is in a cone type of shape. The cone goes inside here. This looks like it's been worn down. I think this is what the problem is. So we'll replace it with a new one. Guys, always remember to replace both sides together. There's no point in only replacing one. So the small end of the cone-shaped spring goes towards the inside. It won't go in backwards. So the spring and seat are an assembly. Put the spring inside the seat and then push it into the hole. Using your finger, try to get it as straight as you can. It may take a couple tries because it's so small. So make sure it's roughly lined up when we put the cartridge in. That will push it into place. I should have said this in the beginning of the video, but make a note of which way the cartridge goes. There is an indentation on the body side of the tub valve, but they're both the same size, so you can put the cartridge in upside down. Next, put on the nut that holds the cartridge into the body of the tub valve, and then with a crescent wrench tighten it back up. Give it an extra quarter turn after it's tight, and that should be fine. You don't have to go crazy with the amount of strength. Now I'm going to go and turn the water on. Don't put all the trim back on in case you have a problem. You'll have to take it all off once again. Let's test first. Alright, so we'll give this a try. Alright, it looks like it's finally stopped dripping, so I'm going to put the cover back on and then put the screw back in and put the other cover back on. Alright, so we'll put one cover back on, and then the handle has a cutout for the flat part. Put that back on. Our Phillips screw back in. And we'll put our other cover back in. Alright guys, so that concludes a cartridge style tub. This is a little bit different from the washer seat style. But guys, I will link into the description the other leaking tub that I recently fixed, so it's easier for you guys to navigate. Guys, this is a relatively cheap fix. You just need to get the correct parts for it. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.